Hey guys, how are you doing? And in this episode, we are going to see a very useful accessory for iPhone and iPads that has Lightning port. A Lightning to USB 3.0 OTG adapter for iPhone and iPads that will help you to connect flash drives, pen drives, or storage drives with your iPhone and iPad to do the data transfer. When it comes to Lightning accessories, there is always a big problem that Apple has certain limitations set to those accessories, including the adapter, where the accessory cannot draw too much power than what it is set in the software level at the system level. For example, if you want to use an external hard disk drive that can power using a wall adapter or a power port, then you can use the USB adapter to connect and do the data transfer. If for any reason the accessory is trying to draw too much power than what the limit set inside the system, then the accessory will not work. So we are going to check with pen drives and SSD drives especially to know whether it is working or not. Recently, one of my audience have also purchased the same brand adapter and he confirmed that it is working fine and it is very helpful in a Twitter tweet. Let's quickly unbox it and see how the box contents actually look like. So here you can see the inside, it is a very simple packaging. Based on the time you order, they may send you a different packaging or, the box print and colors could be changed. As we can see from the previous tweet screenshot, the user have got a complete different packaging, but they all going to work similar. So here inside a kind of a sponge finish, in the center cutout, you can see the CanGet adapter is placed. I leave a link to that, the CanGet brand as well as some other brand with good reviews on Amazon in the description and in the first comment. If you are looking for similar adapter to buy for your iPhone or iPad, you may check that out. So here we are connecting the CanGet adapter with my iPhone 12 to check whether we can connect pen drive and then the SSD drives to do the data transfer or not. Once connected, you will not see any notifications, but if the accessory is drawing too much power, then you obviously see a notification in iPhone or iPad saying that the accessory is drawing too much power. You have to open the Files app to do all the files transfer, and when you open it without connecting a flash drive or a pen drive, you will not see the details in the Files application. So once connected, here now you can see that Robin, the pen drive, now displayed below that on my iPhone storage section. So within the Files app, you can access the accessory, the storage drive that you are connecting with your iPhone or iPad. So right now the pen drive is empty and the file format is also important. So make sure it is exFAT, which you can use it with your Mac or Windows, with any operating system for both read and write tasks. So whether it is pen drive or a SSD drive, it doesn't matter. Try to format it to exFAT to use it with any file format problem or read and write problem. NTFS disks normally won't work with iPhone, iPad or Mac computers. That is one problem. So here you can see that from on my iPhone storage, I'm going to select a few files to do the transfer. Simply, we can drag and drop within the iPhone or iPad to transfer these files to our pen drive. You can of course select move option from the pop-up menu that you have just seen. So here I am clicking on done and then navigating back by holding finger on the screen. We need to tap and hold it to make sure that it is selected, and we can simply drag and drop it on the pen drive, and you can see the files have been written to the disk drive through the adapter, the CanGet adapter, without any issues. So this way, if you're taking plenty of photos and videos, you need to move those contents to the Files app first to a specific folder, and then you can transfer all those contents to your pen drive on the go. Like if you're a photographer or a videographer and you want to move those contents to free up the storage and to take more video footages or photos. So the pen drive works pretty well, and it's time to check with my Samsung T5 SSD. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video, the power delivery could be a problem. As we can see with the Samsung SSD T5, it is not getting detected in the iPhone. The same will happen in the iPad as well, because it requires more power normally to function. So it normally works with our Mac computer or any other devices, but with iPhone and iPad, due to the power drawing limits set by Apple, at the software and hardware level, we cannot use portable hard drives. So I personally think that this adapter is very well suitable for flash drives that will work anytime. When you connect, you will see the drive name in the Files app within a couple of seconds. But if you're getting this adapter, if you have a portable hard drive with power connector, with wall adapter facility, then you may try powering up the hard drive from external source, and then you can try connecting the same hard disk to your iPhone or iPad and see whether it is working or not. For more iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and you may search our channel to find solutions related to iPhone faster. Thank you and have a wonderful day.